one of the things that we are massive on here at Social Sellers is helping you to create extra income in your business and helping you to get your software wherever possible at a reduced rate or free. The amazing thing about LinkDM is they have an affiliate program that you can tap into. The requirements are much less than ManyChat. You don't have to fill in all of these questionnaires and, show all of this stuff like you do with ManyChat. With this one here, you just have to have sent a minimum number of messages and have an account, ideally a pro account. Now, that is a really simple requirement because they want you to actually be using the software and understanding the software before you start referring people. And of course, you can always refer people to this series. Just make sure that they click on your affiliate link first so that you can get the signups and I can train them. So what you're going to do is you're going to come up here to the top and you're going to click on your little pro or face where it says that Boss Face C, and you're going to come into referral program, and then you're going to fill out a really simple form. So I've only just joined this because I only just upgraded my account, but what you're going to do is you're going to give them your PayPal, you're going to agree to terms and conditions, and then you're going to come in here and now you have an affiliate link. So you can add this link into your link tree and you can make 30% of the total revenue that they spend in their first 12 months with LinkDM. Now, I always encourage people wherever possible to get on an annual plan, and I help them with the training to be able to use that plan so it's not a waste of money. But this is a way, basically in 4 people, if you refer 4 people over the course of the year, you've made back your investment in the cost of the software, which is phenomenal and really simple to do. And this is where all your information sits. But I wanted to just show you this quickly because any chance that we have to add revenue in our business, especially if you're a country where your currency is weaker than the US dollar, anywhere that we have to create US dollars is amazing. Not just obviously for the ability to have US dollars to be able to spend on stuff that we want to buy in US dollars, but also it converts into so much more. And one of the things I always talk about with my clients is the ability to leverage currency. So as I'm recording this video, the current conversion rate for Australian dollar from US dollar is something like $1.55. So every dollar that I make in US, I actually make $1.55 Australian. And when my mum was actually passing away and going through the crossing over process, I was able to just live on affiliate commissions that were coming in US dollars because there was such a big conversion in my favor. So I hope this helped you. I wanted to just give you an idea to be able to add an extra income stream to help this software get off the ground, because many people are overwhelmed with ManyChat, and this is a really simple software that gives you all the tools that you need to be able to grow and to start conversations and to make sales on autopilot.